In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clean email landing page for Kit. We're going to keep this very focused and simple, so by the end, you'll have a minimal, high-converting landing page ready to share. The idea behind this setup is less is more. A clean page with one clear message almost always performs better than something crowded and confusing. Start by logging into your Kit account. Once you're in, look for the main navigation and head to the Grow section. Under Grow, click on Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your opt-in forms and landing pages live, and it's the starting point anytime you want to collect email subscribers. Next, you'll see an option to create something new. Click on Create New, and then choose Landing Page. This tells Kit you want a full standalone page, not just a small embedded form. A landing page is ideal when you want to send people to a single, focused destination from social media, ads, or your website. Kit will now show you a gallery of templates. To keep things clean and conversion-focused, pick one of the minimalist designs, such as Abby, Park, or Siesta. These templates are built with lots of white space and a single main goal: getting someone to subscribe. Choosing a minimal layout up front saves you time and helps you avoid over-designing. Once the template loads, click on the main headline and edit it to a clear, simple value proposition. Think along the lines of weekly tips for, followed by your topic or niche. The key is to make the benefit obvious at a glance, so visitors immediately know why they should sign up. Now scan the page for any extra elements that don't support that main goal. If you see additional images, decorative sections, or secondary buttons that might distract people, click on each one and use the trash icon to delete it. A clean landing page usually has just a headline, a short description, the email form, and a single call to action button. Next, open the Styles panel by clicking the paintbrush icon in the sidebar. Here you can adjust the overall look. Choose a neutral background color, like white or a very light gray, so your text and forms stand out. Then select a modern, easy-to-read sans serif font such as Inter or Open Sans. This keeps your page looking professional and readable on both desktop and mobile. When everything looks consistent and simple, it's time to go live. Click Publish, and Kit will generate a clean URL for your landing page. You can now share this link in your social profiles, emails, or anywhere else you want to grow your list, knowing your visitors are seeing a streamlined, high-converting experience.